Most gardeners kill their lavender the same way. They water it too much, too often. And here's the strange part. The thing most people blame when lavender dies usually isn't the real reason. Not the heat, not the cold, not even the drought. We'll come back to that in a moment, because once you understand what lavender actually is, you'll stop losing it. Walk through any garden center in spring. Lavender is everywhere. Purple flowers, silver leaves. The smell alone is enough to make people take one home. Yet millions of lavender plants will be dead within a few years. Not because lavender is difficult, because most gardeners treat it like every other flower. And lavender is not like every other flower. That misunderstanding starts a chain of problems. Most people don't notice it until it's already too late. Lavender is not really a garden plant. It is a survivor. It evolved on dry Mediterranean hillsides, rocky soil, relentless sun, months without rain. Almost everything about lavender was designed for hardship, which creates a problem in modern gardens, because modern gardens are built for comfort, rich soil, regular watering, mulch, fertilizer, the exact things many plants love, and the exact things lavender often hates. The damage begins underground, long before the leaves show any warning signs, and that's why so many gardeners are surprised when a healthy-looking plant suddenly collapses. The plant didn't die overnight. The process started months earlier. The biggest mistake. Many gardeners believe winter kills lavender, but before winter ever arrives, the roots may already be struggling. Lavender roots need air. When the soil stays damp for long periods, they begin to fail. Rot develops below the surface. The plant responds by slowing down. The center becomes woody. Growth weakens. Flowering declines. And by the time people notice the problem, they often do the one thing that makes it worse. They water more. The solution feels almost wrong. Do less, not more. Plant lavender in the driest part of your garden. Give it full sun. Avoid rich soil. Avoid heavy mulch. Avoid frequent watering. If your soil holds moisture, add gravel or coarse sand. And once the plant is established, leave it alone. Most gardeners spend years trying to improve conditions for lavender, when lavender is often trying to survive despite those improvements. There is one more mistake, and surprisingly, it has nothing to do with water. People stop pruning. Year after year, the plant becomes larger, woodier, less productive. Eventually, the center opens up and flowering declines. After blooming, trim about 1/3 of the soft green growth. Never cut deep into old woody stems. This simple habit can add years to the life of the plant. So what usually kills lavender? Not drought, not neglect, not a lack of attention. Too much attention. Lavender does not fail in our gardens. We fail lavender because we assume every plant wants our help. Lavender wants something different. It wants space, sun, dry soil, and a gardener willing to step back. The healthiest lavender plants are often the ones gardeners forget about. Sometimes the best thing you can do for a plant is leave it alone. Our little garden friend was hiding in a few places today. Did you spot her? Let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.